Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on how to use the repair order functionality inside your estimates in your ProEstimator account by WebEst. After you've logged into your ProEstimator account, open the desired estimate and navigate to the Details and Supplements page using the links at the top of the screen. On this page in Section 2, Job Status, you'll be able to open and close your repair orders. In the Job Status drop-down, select Repair Order. You can change the date of opening and closing by simply selecting the date field and choosing the correct date prior to changing the job status. We'll go with today's date in this example. We'll go ahead and select the Change Job Status button. As a reminder, you cannot change the job status using the Save button at the top of the screen. The Save button applies to Section 1, Estimate Info, and all the options on that side of the screen. So we'll want to change job status using this button below the date field. I'll go ahead and select that. Once the page cycles, you'll see that we now have repair order number 128 created. This is sequential inside of your account. And you'll see that we have a historical record of when that repair order was opened. To close the repair order, return to the Change Status field, select the drop-down, and choose Closed Repair Order. You can also cancel the job indicating no work is being done to the vehicle. In this case, we'll go ahead and close the repair order. I've selected that, and now I'm going to select Change Job Status. You'll now see our date timestamp shows that we're in a closed repair order status. If you should need to open the repair order back up for any reason, simply revisit the Change Status drop-down and select that. You'll notice you have an option for salvage. This is not in relation to being a total loss. It's merely stating you're going to salvage the existing closed repair order. We'll select that and then select the Change Job Status button. And now you'll see that it shows that it's been salvaged, but we're not done. We need to continue to open up the repair order again. Notice it's 128. That number will not change. We now have the option to select Repair Order again, which we will do. And then we'll use the Change Job Status button to reopen the repair order. Again, notice the repair order number did not change. We now have a time date stamp for the repair order, and once you've completed with any additional work you might do, select the Change Status drop-down again to close that repair order. This concludes our instructional video on how to use the repair order functionality inside of your estimate on the Details and Supplements page in your ProEstimator account by WebEst. Thank you for your interest in ProEstimator, and thank you for being a WebEst customer.